Hey everybody, this is Tammy, Prayerful Praise, and I'm doing another video for Etched by Faith to show you guys how to put your stickers into your Bible that you got from her, or any other notebooks or whatever. It'll work the same, into Goodnotes from your file. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to your email where you ordered the Bible, and when it opens up, you will get your Bible, and then there will be a file with some PNG stickers. What you're going to do is tap the dots, hit download, and I've already done that, and it's going to download it as a zip file, and it usually goes to your downloads. So go find them when they've had a chance to do. Go into your files, go to downloads, which I've already moved mine to a folder to keep it in, and it comes in this zip file. And when you tap on the zip file, it opens into a folder. And when you tap that up, there are all the PNG stickers for the, there's like 189 of them. You do not have to move all these stickers at one time, because I still have not figured out a way to do multiple stickers at once. So I'm going to show you the way that I know how to do it. And it's a little time consuming, but like I said, do a few at a time, or pick out the ones you really think you're going to want to use right at the end, and then go back and add the others later. So we've got our files, so we know where our stickers are. I'm going to go ahead and open that back up. And so now I'm going to go to my Goodnotes, and I've got my Bible open. And what I want to do is make sure that that pen does not have a line. It's got the circle around it. That way the hyperlinks will work. Tap on the index. And over here on the right side where it says stickers, you're going to tap on stickers, and you get the sticker page. Okay. Now on my iPad, what I'm going to do is do split screen, so that I have my Bible open on one side and my file with my stickers open on the other side. So there are 3 dots at the top, and you're going to tap those. You're going to want to hit split view, and then I'm going to go to my files, and since I had it open, it already has it for me. And like I said, it's going to be a little time consuming, but like, you don't have to do them all at one time. So now that you've got it open, you're going to take your pencil, and you're going to take and drag and drop. Well, you don't want to do that, so let's cancel that. Ignore that. Okay, I got to get out of that. Sorry, y'all. Close that. There we go. Get back to my Bible. I think I waited too long. Anyway, tap it and drag it, drop it. And now it's in your sticker book. And I always take, and I don't leave them that size just because it takes up so much space. Because you can resize them once you get them onto your page. So just take and tap this little circle with the arrow at the bottom. Well, no, let's don't double. We duplicated it. So let's delete that one. Tap on that and then push it in, and it'll make it smaller. And then you can just, let's go erase that. I don't know how that got there. And then you're going to go grab over here in your stickers, go to the second one, grab it, drag and drop. Same thing, make it smaller, or however you want to do it. But you're just going to do each individual sticker, because like I said, I haven't figured out how to do multiple ones, drag and drop. I tried the copy paste. It just didn't work for me. But that's how one way that I get stickers in. And like I said, I'm doing some research to try to figure out if there's an easier way. But for now, just drag and drop and adjust your size until you have all your stickers in. And then once you've got your stickers in, you can close out this, and you're back to your full screen Bible. Now, let's just say you wanted to do a sticker in Job for the integrity sticker. Once you've got them in, and so you've gone off and you're not on that page anymore, let's put the circle back around it, which all I did was tap that little pencil there in the top right. Now let's go to Old Testament, and let's go find Job. And I think chapter 4 is where it talks about integrity. I don't know. I think it does, but my brain is just kind of like not thinking. But okay, so we're on a page that deals with the word integrity. So what you can do, you can make where you can edit it. Well, let's go. All right, we're gonna. You know what I forgot to do? And sorry, I'm taking you guys all around the world. Let's go back to the index, back to our stickers. Let's tap on the one that says integrity. Well, you know what, we have to do this pen again. And let's make sure that the picture thing is highlighted. And then tap on it. And then on the dotted line, you're going to get a menu. You're going to hit copy. Now you're going to hit that pen again. And you're going to go back to the Old Testament, to Job, chapter 4. And then you will tap your pencil on the page. And you get the menu again. So do paste. And there's your picture. And then you can move it around. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. You know, do whatever you want to with it. So that's how you get your stickers into your Bible in Goodnotes. And like I said, it takes a little bit of time to do it that way. And if I ever figure out a faster way, I will do another video. But I hope that you all have fun getting into the Word and using the digital Bible. And it is a beautiful, beautiful Bible. The cover of it, let me go back to where I can actually work the hyperlinks, is this pretty burgundy color. And I haven't used it much yet. I'm still learning and playing around with it. But as you swipe through, you get ways to connect with the Etched by Faith. It tells you that the little house button takes you to the front cover, then the website, and the arrow here would take you to the next page. And I just learned something. The rings, if you tap them, it takes you to your sticker page. How cool is that? See, I'm learning something as I'm playing around with it. But that's kind of the long and short of how to get stickers into your Bible. And like I said, if I figure out a faster, easier way to do it, I will do another video. But for now, enjoy and thanks for watching.